Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of equal position in brackets, right? So now I just read the question. Given a string as of the opening and closing bracket, right? Only find an equal position of the string, and equal position is a position of k based, such that the number of opening brackets before position k is equal to the number of closing bracket from position k to the end of the string. If multiple such positions exist, return the first valid positions, right? The string can be split at any position from 0 to n, where n is the length of the string. And if we split 0, it means there is an empty string on left. If we split at n, it means there is an empty string on right. Okay, fine. So now we just understand the question. What the question says? The question says that very simple. Like, we have the string like this, right? We have the string like this. Now in that, we just have to do the one thing. The thing is, starting from here, to check like k. If k is equal to 0, which means we have to use here like this one is equal, right, here, which means we just have to give the what divider is here 0. And if the k is like this one, sorry, this one is here, right? Now k is equal to 1, then the same thing here, but this remove from here and put here. Now just see, we have to split still till we don't have to get equal from the closing bracket and the opening bracket. So still we just have to, till we have to divide this. Now I just come on the k is equal to 2. Now here just do this and remove from here and just put here. Got it? This one. Now the k is equal to 3. Now just put here and then and just remove from here and put it here. Now we just have to check. What we can check? We just have to check have any. Yes, we can do, but again we just have to do one more. K is equal to 4, and then this one remove from here and just put here. Now we just have to check the equal positions. Now from the left and the right, left is just 2 equal, 2 opening and there is a 2 closing, right? So you can get this. So this is the main concept we need here to write, to just explain the things, like how it will work and how can we split this thing, right? Now I just have to check, and I just have to write the code, then you will explain the very briefly what is this and what is happening this, right? So I just starting from the string, I just check the int n is equal to s dot size, and then after the size int close right is equal to 0, and for care of ch of string, and then if ch is equal to we just have to get this one, right? Then closing, the close right plus plus correct one, and then int open left is equal to 0 from the initial. Now start the loop and k. Now here is the two thing, like from the starting of k, like from I 0 to this will go to the 0 to k, and then k to n minus 1, right here. Now from the k 0 is equal, and then k greater than is equal to n and k plus plus, right? Now here, like if open left is equal to close right, if we can get simple return k, like इतना k को स्प्लिट करने के बाद मेरा जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो आ जा रहा है, ठीक है, दोनों इक्वल्स आ जा रहा है. एंड इफ k greater than is equal to n, then simple if sk is equal to ये वाला चीज़, ठीक है, देन सिंपल व्हाट इज open left plus plus else what is close right plus plus, simple thing. Now return -1, समझ गए. Now I just check it will run or not. Are showing the problem, yes, showing the problem. What is the problem showing here? So start from the yes, right, correct, this one. Now closing right, now ch, that's also fine. Ch is equal to this one, closing right, that's also fine. Now open left is equal to here from 0 to n, and then open close is equal to this one, then return k, and if k is equal to n, then sk is equal to close this bracket, correct, correct. Oh, this one I just have to minus, and now I just try to submit it. So yes, it will submit. So here the time complexity is order of n and the space is order of 1, right? Here you can see this is the character from uh, starting from the here, and also this is not the time complexity. Here the time complexity starting from the 0 to n. So time complexity is order of n and space is order of 1. So I hope you will definitely understand the problem. And if you have any questions, and if you have in another approach which you have tried in this code, so please comment it out. I will just check how your mind is active and what do you think from the another approach. So thank you so much, guys.